soap. Let me wash my face with the cake soap. Let me wash my face with the cake soap. Let me wash my face with the cake soap.
Where'd you have my cake soap?
Master, this is all I deserve about the cake soap.
Bastard! Where's my cake soap? Master! Konfu Jed has all the cake soap! That nasty Jed! Come on! Shall get off cake soap!
Start it if you want start it, but me no deep past street. Me a come for you where you eat and sleep. And me no come for you meet and greet. Somebody teeth off a meat concrete. You run already like real athlete, but you never fast like the steel that beat. It shine like popcorn, Jesus peace. Popcorn with the piece, you say Jesus peace. Yo, we go for them anywhere. Gaza we go for them anywhere. Action over word me say. So me not go fly like bird me say. Them know say me know say them afraid of me. Them know say.
Master! Konfu Jed! Konfu Jed! Ha ha ha! What do you want, popcorn? Seems like you don't want to return my cake soap! Ha 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 ha! You bleachers, you need the cake soap to bleach out your damn face. And I wanted to wash my clothes. You never have it! Ha 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 ha! Why you want me to kill you? Dirty ass! So you insist to be rude and act stupidly. I shall have to teach you a lesson. You bleachers.
Konfu! Jed! Your mouth speaks shit!
Why not fight? You will never, ever live to have the cake soap.
Master, let's get him! No!
His Konfu is too deep for you guys. You bastard need to die. Well, I'm prepared to kill you all. Ha! Ha 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 ha! Son, go back! Go back! Go back! Didn't you see the teacher? Who the teacher white? You don't expect me that I want to white to and get his all damn blackhead on my face. That teacher, don't talk of that damn fool. He has lost his culture. He's stupid. He need to be taught a lesson to, and one day I'll meet him. Teach him personally. Jed, you're not a Jed. You are a Congo dirty ass. You need to shave and get this cake soap to get your face cool. Talking about face cool, he has lost nature rule. You bastard! Bleaching out and taking this thing for granted. You're all gonna die! Bleachers! You're not that great. Talking is cheap. Well, your skin is going to deteriorate, and I shall rip your skin off. Bastard! Cake soap, get out any spots. Well, when I beat up your Ross, you no spot the cake soap can take off. Let's get great and great every day, but we shall fight today. When you hear I say cake soap, I'm not talking Blue Bomber. I'm talking the Vibes cake soap.
Damn fool.
Cake soap make you weak, stupid. The sun is coming out!
Running from the sun, following the teacher, power to using cake soap. It's the blasted cake soap. It's on the pill. Bleaching out yourself. Stop it! It's not good for you. You're losing your culture. Damn fools.